Today, I got started a little late, had to winterize the cars today. We got some cool, very cold mornings coming up. And I figured I better get that done. So that's what I'll do today. I'm gonna take this pinstripe off on the back for right now on both sides. Okay folks, so I got the heat gun, and also somewhere down here I thought I brought the, I guess not, I got a hair dryer I can use also. And a couple little plastic razor blades. And I'll just put the heat gun on this and it should pull off pretty easy. I do this quite often on some of the customer cars. When I get to this freshly painted area though, I gotta be careful. I don't wanna get too hot because it'll start to crack this new paint. This paint hasn't cured. So I'm gonna get you set up on the tripod and you can watch me. Look at there, somebody had a pinstripe on it once before. This car needs painting. Now this pinstripe's kind of old, so I doubt it's gonna pull off in one big giant sheet. It's gonna probably tear. You see it's coming off terrible too. Pinstripe is just coming all to pieces. Well, the pinstripe is off. That's just the residue from the adhesive. But actually, next I'm gonna do the pinstripe on the other side. I won't video that. You saw how it went. It didn't take but 5 minutes. Just keep the heat gun about 4 inches out from the plastic razor blade, and just keep the heat gun moving where you don't hurt the paint, don't blister the paint. No big deal. Okay guys, all I did then was just wiped it down with cheap lacquer thinner. You can use, good Lord, that 3M general purpose cleaner or anything like that. And then once I got the pinstripe off, I just went on and sprayed the quarter panel with new paint.